Please subscribe to our very own ISHM YouTube channel and do not forget to push on the bell icon for latest updates and new videos. Hello dear viewers. My name is Sarah. I am associated with ISHM School of Aviation, Hospitality and Management. You all are watching ISHM Edu Netflix, the one-stop hub for a unique learning experience. One of the most preferred jobs in the industry today is becoming a cabin crew. Who does not like to travel to exotic and exciting locations, especially when you get paid handsomely for doing so? Today in this upcoming video we shall discuss all the requirements that are required to become a cabin crew. Point 1. Age. For national airlines the age requirement for both boys and girls is 18 years and above. And for international airlines it is 21 years and above. Next comes educational requirement. To become a cabin crew, one has to first complete his or her Class 12 examinations, and having a hospitality management degree is an added advantage. Now height. Generally for boys the minimum height required is 173 cm and for girls 160 cm. However, different airline companies have different scales. Now comes your BMI or body mass index. This is an important requirement. All candidates should have a particular height to weight ratio. The formula to calculate BMI is The other general requirements also include excellent communication skills, perfect grooming standards and a professional email ID. If a boy or girl has all of the said requirements in order and adding to that a huge passion to join the aviation industry, then believe me, no one can stop you from ruling the skies above. International School of Hospitality Management provides professional courses related to aviation, along with many others, which would really help you to achieve your dreams of becoming a professional cabin crew. Please subscribe to our YouTube page for more exciting information and also visit us on our Facebook page for more updates. You can also visit our website at www.ishm.co.in. Come to ISHM. Give wings to your dreams.